Hi, today we're back out metal detecting at the rift bank again, and my first signal is by this little path, and it looks like a coin ball, so let's crack this open live. Oh yeah, coin in there. It's probably a penny. That well, it's a bit tough, this ground, it's quite clayey here. Yeah, a penny. Alright, cool, on to the next. Okay, from this hole here, just got half penny from 1921. So I should have missed things in this little area. So yeah, that's cool. I'll check if there's any more signals in this hole. Okay, just got an old harmonica reed. I just broke it though, sadly. Oh well. Yep. Right, any ideas on this one? It's maybe off a toy gun. It's got writing there. If I can see what that is, that writing, I'll try and pull it up like on this, but I don't know. Any ideas? It might be like off a toy gun or maybe a lock. That keyhole there, but I don't know. Any ideas? I just had a crazy signal. I left up the plug. And this is what I see: a ton of coins. So let's see. So we've got 5p, I think. 50p. Oh, that's an old style 50p there. That's cool. Alright. Let's see. Oh, sorry I blocked you there. 20p. Just coin sticking up there. Got a pound. Nice. And there's a coin there. If I can even get it out. Yeah. Another pound. Yep. Let me chuck my pinpointer in there. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, on to the next. So by these like big boulder stones things here, it's got an old penny from 1940. So that's cool. Yeah. Okay, from this hole here, it's got a half penny from 1922, I think it said on there. But yeah, cool.